Hi everyone, I'm just checking in with you during the summer months. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to give you a quick update on where I'm at. I have completed one portion of the organization and inventory of the studio and have progressed now to the stock room. And as you can see behind me, I'm not finished with the studio either. So I've interjected the stock room in between. And the reason I'm just keeping you up to date is because it's taking me a little bit longer, maybe a whole lot longer than I thought it was going to be. I am in the process of taking everything out of the stock room and putting everything back in a better organized fashion. Okay, so this is the thing. As I was taking out the collection of garments that we have and temporarily storing them in another area, I counted how many items we have, and there's roughly about 200 items in our collection of garments that Elfrida has created over a period of years. And they also need to be cataloged. They're not even cataloged yet, so that's why it's going to be taking me a little bit longer, because if I'm in the middle of doing it anyway, then I'm going to do it right. I'm working on the stock room and getting the sewing room in order. The other thing is that I've had to break up my project of getting it all done because I've accepted some commissions and I've been working on several commissions during the summer. So I've just created a little bit of space here on this one workbench. So I've confined my workspace to a very small area because the rest is all full, piled high with things that need to be put back. So my apologies again for taking longer. I want to get this right so that when I begin the classes again, that I know where everything is, that I don't spend like an hour looking for things, and I have a better idea of what we have in our collection. We use these garments to show the different types of finishes and overall garments, and we may even do a few exhibits in between. So that's where I'm at, and other than taking a few days off and enjoying the summer, I am still working hard at it and trying to get everything in order. So please do not give up on your sewing projects, and we really appreciate your support and hanging in there with us. So carry on with what you're doing and keep the joy alive and the passion alive for sewing. Talk to you soon. Bye.